Hi guys, it's Charmaine here from Southwark Libraries. I also do the book start on a Friday at Brighton Centre. Okay, so we want to get making something. What do you think we should make? So I was thinking we should make some Play-Doh. So let's go in our cupboards and see if we have the ingredients. And then let's get started. What do you think? Let's go. So guys, this is what we need. Over here, we have 3/4 cup of salt. We have cream of tartar, and with that we need 4 teaspoons. Then we have sunflower oil or vegetable oil, and we need 2 tablespoons of that. We also have 2 cups of flour, and also back here we have 2 cups of lukewarm water, and in the front we have our food colouring. And that's all we need. Hi guys, safety alert. So we're going to be doing a bit of cooking. So we need an adult present. We need them to stay with you and put all the ingredients inside the pot and do all the stirring. You can squeeze maybe some of the colouring in, but that's if they let you. Okay guys, stay safe and let's continue. So the next step I've taken is I put the flour, salt and tartar into a pot. And now I put the water, the colour and the oil inside. I'm going to turn the heat up to a medium level and I'm going to get stirring. Now I'm stirring and it's getting really stiff. So the Play-Doh is coming together really nicely and should look like this. Soon we're going to turn it off when it's a little bit harder and then leave it to cool before we play with it. So this is what we end up with, a lovely piece of squishy Play-Doh that you can play with today and tomorrow. But remember, don't throw your Play-Doh away straight away because you can keep it in your fridge for up to 2 whole months. So there's plenty of fun to be had. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed making Play-Doh with me because I really enjoyed making Play-Doh with you. Please be sure to look on the Southwark website for other activities because we have a lot going on. So until then, take care and be safe and have fun with your Play-Doh. Bye.